Introducing the all-new Aprilia TUONO 457. The Italian street fighter with raw power and cutting-edge tech. It packs a 457cc twin-cylinder engine producing 47.6 bhp and 43.5 Nm. Paired with a 6-speed gearbox, slipper clutch, and optional quickshifter. Built on a lightweight aluminum frame with USD forks and monoshock. It ensures sharp handling on any road. Braking is top-notch with dual-channel ABS and radial calipers. Features include a 5-inch TFT display, riding modes, traction control, full LED lighting, and Bluetooth connectivity. Weighing just 175 kilograms with an 800 mm seat height. It's perfect for both street and sporty rides. Priced at 3.95 lakh rupees. It rivals the Duke 390 and RTR 310. And stands out as the only twin-cylinder in its class. Like, share, and subscribe to Sabikers One for more such